If you've been following this project from the beginning, you already know this van has put me through quite an education. Honestly, when I started this bodywork project, I thought fixing the dents would be the hard part. I didn't realize the entire process would basically turn into a full body workout for an entire month. At this point, I feel like every time I finish one exhausting job, there's another one waiting right behind it. I started with absolutely zero experience in auto bodywork, and somehow over the past month, I've learned how to weld, pull dents, straighten metal, patch holes, and spend an unreasonable amount of my life sanding. Little by little, panel by panel, the van has started coming back together. And now, after weeks of cutting, welding, hammering, pulling, and questioning some of my life choices, the bodywork still isn't done. So here we go again, another week, another round of physical labor on this van. For this final stage of bodywork, I'll be removing all the bumpers and exterior pieces, so I can finally access everything underneath and properly prepare the entire body for paint. Let's do it. This bracket is broken. Okay, let me try. Once those bumpers came off, I was finally done with the heavy work. Grinding, welding, hammering, pulling, drilling. Basically me attacking this van with increasingly aggressive tools. From here, the job became completely different. And I have to say, after everything I've been doing to this van, applying body filler felt almost strangely peaceful.
我准备先弄这一块做下实验，因为这个是一个组合，它有这种纹路，也有这种拐弯的弧，然后也有大的平面，所以我想把它做会了，其他的应该就会了。先把周围的漆磨一下。
There's actually something really satisfying about spreading filler across a panel. You mix it, you have this tiny window before it starts to harden, and you try to shape everything as smoothly as possible. A little more here, a little less there, smooth this edge, fill that low spot. For the first time during this entire project, I didn't feel like a construction worker. I feel like an artist, a painter. Before, I was trying to repair the damage. Now I'm shaping the final surface, and that was a really good feeling. I'm standing here with a little spreader in my hand, carefully mixing filter and hardener, and smoothing the mixture over the body. It felt so elegant. So messy.
已经觉得有点赏心悦目了。
Seeing the entire van covered with filter was probably one of the most surreal moments of this whole project. Because if you compare this to where we started, it almost doesn't look like the same van.
都稍微觉得有点不可思议，因为最开始这个车门，它这个难度当时让我觉得 Plan B 是在外面找一个 body shop， 没想到现在都已经差不多成型了，有点感动。
The bodywork is basically done, at least done enough for me to move on. So this is the end of the bodywork chapter. Next chapter, I want to move on to the paint job and give this van a completely new identity. And I have a feeling it's going to look very, very different.
Thanks to my channel members. 感谢我的频道会员们。干巴爹 Mega Szechuan Q Mark Sean XW Jiang Timothy Lam DC Lin Philip Huang Hank Digital K Hua Rock Marquise L Meng Uncle Jeff 张庚 Jeff Zhong Jason Wu Daniel Liu More the Do Sploot Bites Free Mango 黄燕 YX Vicky Trung Emily Ren Michelle 王老师 Jing Luo 普吉岛华哥王一浩 Michael Tan 肖 Kang V Live Bora Home Septi Eric Joanna Zhao 袁素清风徐来 Alex SRNE RVS Solutions Jimmy Liu Hannah Hikes Calvin Kinti Shi Vincent Recool 平克学摇滚 X 灰秀虎旺 YBG Stuffing Colin World Josh Chen 小主白切史栋思我是瓦妮萨一睹陆家 I like smile Dr. Joe